I have 4 OB-4s. Here is the first. Quite excited to see this. Damn, that looks good. Bruh, yo, this. Damn. Yo, I can't, man. They look so good. Yo, oh my goodness, guys. All right, so, yeah, I mean, yes. Just look at this. This looks so dope to me. This looks so cool. Jeez, that looks so good, man. My goodness, yo, they know what they are doing. And I'm really thinking about the different things I'd be able to do with multiple OB-4s. One of them is gonna stay in my car in a OB-4 like case. One of them is gonna stay in the studio. One of them is gonna stay upstairs, and perhaps one's gonna stay in the bedroom. This is mad exciting for me on so many levels. And we'll come to this one next. Sheesh, that looks awesome too. Yo, I cannot believe how clean and how much more, like, oh man, yeah, just how nice these things look compared to the black one. Man, oh man. Come on now. Come on now. Hey, what's up guys? Khordmaster here. So today's video, I want to unbox this package here. It says OB-4 on it. It's a pretty big package, which might suggest that there's more than just an OB-4 in here. Let's find out. Well, as I'm opening this, so let me give you guys a little background. So my good friends over at Teenage Engineering, I'm actually working with them on some content for their overseas operations. And one of those pieces of content is revolving around the OB-4. And as everyone out there knows, I am the OB-4 expert. I know this piece of equipment intricately. I love it. It is just an absolutely fascinating piece of tech. I thought it would be a good idea to, in addition to filming the content, showcasing how cool the device is. I have my black OB-4 upstairs. I was gonna say upstairs. I wanted to showcase the colors of the new sets that were just released. And so that's what I want to do in this video. I want to unbox them and give you my impressions. And by the end of the video, I want to also provide some insights as to what my wife thinks of them, because she knows her colors and things like that. So did I just say my wife knows her colors? I don't know. So anyway, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and do this. So we're gonna take this out first, of course. All right, so here we go. OB-4 number 1. So I have 4 OB-4s. There we go. I have 4 OB-4s. Here is the first. Quite excited to see this. Damn, that looks good. Bruh, yo, this. Yo, this looks so dope. Okay, so we're gonna talk. Let me get my mind right here. So I think there should be a cable in here, power cable. Yo, I'm super excited right now. Like, this is gonna invoke some. If I can get this out of here, hang on. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool, we got it. So, oh, actually, there's one more thing, right? Isn't there the antenna and maybe the other side? Yeah, let's see. Yep, right here. And no manual, because the manual's on the side. All right, so we're gonna, yeah, yo, look at this. All right, so, yeah, I mean, yes. Just look at this. This looks so dope to me. This looks so cool. It's gonna sound the same, presumably, but let's turn this on. Or, yep, there we go, turn it on. Let's check the radio. Let's see if we have any reception down here.
I think the fact that you had any of those guys in the top 10 is a little sauce. Other than Lamar Jackson. We had all the same names.
Cool.
The only person I forgot was only person I forgot was Lamar Jackson.
I had Brock Purdy right there on standby, so he's definitely top 15. Definitely top 15. I'm a 9.
All right, cool. So, yes, we got the first one. So this looks incredible. Again, I have to get the names right. So let's see. I mean, the names of the colors. That needs to happen. And I'm really thinking about the different things I'd be able to do with multiple OB-4s. One of them is going to stay in my car in a OB-4 like case. One of them is going to stay in the studio. One of them is going to stay upstairs, and perhaps one's going to stay in the bedroom. This is mad exciting for me on so many levels. All right, so we'll leave this here, and we'll take this little instruction manual out. Quick start guide, rather. Let's see. Here we go. So, yes, that's number 1. Jeez, that looks so good, man. My goodness, yo, they know what they are doing. All right, let's turn this down and let's go to the next one. Maybe I shouldn't have started with that one because that one is just like, that's just like eye-popping. It's eye-popping. It's like, come on, like, sheesh. Okay, on to the next one. So now we go to this one. This is like, again, let's see if they say the names of the colors. They don't. It's like colors like ochre and like things like that. So I'll get them. I'll put them in the chat, I suppose, or I'll overlay it over this video. Right? You'll know what it is when I'm going into editing. I'm just so excited right now. I just can't. All right. So let's open this next one, and now we'll move this to the side, and we'll come to this one next. Sheesh, that looks awesome too. Yo, I cannot believe how clean and how much more, like, oh man, yeah, just how nice these things look compared to the black one. Man, oh man. Come on now. Come on now. All right. So, I guess, yeah, I just might as well take the stuff out of these too, right? While we're here. It should be an easier way for me to do this. Let's see. Okay. There we go, I guess. Sure. Cool. And one more thing. Of course, this piece. Let's get this out. Okay, these are the antennas. Right? Cool. Alright, so let's move this one down. We'll take this out as well. We don't need these because we know exactly how to use these, so we don't really care about that, man. But let's look at this one. Like, come on, like, yeah, you know, sheesh, these look so good. This is not artificial excitement. I'm just legitimately excited to use these. Like, just imagine me having this out on a boardwalk somewhere. I don't know why that word is hard to say, but on a boardwalk and just jamming out with like this and my I don't know, OP1 or OPZ or my iPad, and just playing music and DJing with this, like, or my TX6. I'm sorry, my TP7 when that comes in. Ooh, that's gonna be so dope. Oh my god. So having the TP7 and having like a lot of songs on there and sending those songs into here or here, and so that now I don't even have to like be connected to the internet like on my, you know, YouTube Music or deal with that. It's like they're all right there. That is so dope. That is so cool. All right, here we go. Number 2. Let's power these on one by one too. I think I just powered this one on, but this one, I'm gonna charge this one. This one looks to not have any juice compared to the first, so I'm gonna charge it. Yo, this is like sick. This is so, it's so good, man. And just again, shout out to the team. Like, you guys don't even know. I'm blessed to be connected with this company, this organization that I really admire so much of what they do. And let me not take too much time talking. Let me get these things open. But I'm just really, I'm blessed. I work hard on my content, and to be acknowledged in this way, to be entrusted with being able to do things to bring value to you guys is really, really something. And I don't take it for granted for a second. I'm just rambling now, so I'm gonna stop. But just thank you, okay? And on to the next one. So this one is, I think, the blue one. So yeah, let's get this opened up and check it out. Damn. Yo, I can't, man. They look so good. Yo, oh my goodness, guys. They look so inspiring. Like, this is what it's about, technology-wise, that's functional, but also looks cool and fun to use. This one is like by far closest so far to the black one in terms of the color because it's the darkest one. And even like at this angle, but it's still so sleek. So I'm gonna give you guys my opinions in just a second. Out of the 4, like which one do I think? Do I think looks the best or something? Which is the coolest looking? So far, you've seen the reaction. My reaction with each of these is just like, come on, like, you know? Oh man, I'm just making sure this is still recording at the right. Okay. Yeah, one time I was recording in slow motion by accident and it didn't capture the audio, which was disappointing. But okay, so this is like the blue one. Look at this. So we got blue. Whoa. And also we should show the backs too, right? So you got like the top of all of these are black. The handle, obviously black. And then the unit itself is the color. This one we're going to power on. This one is blinking, so we need to charge it too, which we will momentarily, but for now we'll put it here. Last but not least, this really lived up to the hype. I wasn't sure the type of video that I wanted to do with these, like if I don't know, like the style of video, but I think this just kind of showing you guys, you know, one by one. And let's get these in frame perhaps, you know, why not, right? Let's get them in frame over here and over here, even though these are the tops that you're seeing, which means that you can't really see. There we go, I like that. That's a good frame. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, then we have like this grayish color one, last but not least. So let's open this up next. Shout out to my wife for bringing this inside. So as I'm opening this up, a little fun anecdote. Not that fun, but it's, I don't know. This is let's just explain it. Got the email that this has been delivered from FedEx. And then I got home about 20 minutes after that. Drove up, did not see the box in front of the house. Immediately, ooh, yes, light gray. Immediately checked my neighbor's front porch, nothing there. Thought the worst because my wife had something to do after work today. And there was no reason for me to think that anything else other than that. Long and short, I got so worried, I was like, all right, I'm gonna have to call FedEx. Like, I don't know where this is. And then open the door, what do I see? It's sitting right there. I'm like, oh, thank God. And then I found out that my wife actually got out a little early and brought it in. So shout out to her because this was quite a heavy box having 4 of these, I must say. Okay, so there we go. And we got our last one here. And this is this grayish color, light gray, super light gray, to not be mistaken with like the black one, for example, like a dark gray or charcoal. This is like really, 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 really good stuff. So now that we've done this, which one of these is the best? Well, I'm so glad you asked, even though you didn't. Let's move these all here so we can see them all in frame. Slide this down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Down. This is charging, so let's unplug this for now. There we go. And let's send that down. And let's send that down. Okay. Well, which one of these is the best color? They're all just incredible. I'm sorry. I don't know. They all look so good. They all look so good. I opened this one first, and then here, and then here, and then here. The one that jumps out at me the most is the orange because it's so bold. I'm gonna give you like the political answer. But this one, this one, I was gonna give something nice to say about each of them. So let's talk about the use case, because now I have 5 of these, including the black one. So what goes where? One of these has to be in the car. So like, and that's the one that's in the car is the one that I'll use when if I'm driving somewhere and then park my car and want to just jam out or something in the car before I get out. Like I've done that before, and so that is, so it's for that, and then it's also for being able to maybe take it out somewhere at a park or at a, I don't know, in the forest or you know, on a boardwalk or something, as I mentioned earlier. So the one that goes with me has to be one that is, I think, eye-catching. So I'm leaning towards this one because I kind of want this in the studio. I kind of want this one and say the black one in the studio. Like down here, like maybe right behind me or something in the backdrop. So I'm thinking about that. Then you have like upstairs in the bedroom, and you have upstairs on the main floor between these two. I'll probably get my wife's opinion on that. I don't know. It's a good problem to have, ain't it? I'm going to also figure out how to, like, what kind of cool and unique things can I do using multiple in one setup. And I have some ideas for that, which is exciting. But we'll leave it at that. Just want to say thank you guys very much for watching the video. Hopefully the excitement, you know, shown through the camera. And make sure you guys are subscribed because I'll be doing a lot more content with these things and just a lot of other great stuff coming up on the channel. So have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Also, just look at that. Isn't that's such a nice speaker. Such a nice color. All right, later.